Welcome, my friends, to another work from home job lead video. If you are new here, my name is Lindsay and I'm always searching the internet trying to find the best work from home jobs and bringing them to you on a daily basis. Today's job is very exciting. If you're like me, if you have pets or you love pets and you want a job that allows you not only to stay home but to cuddle those lovable pets while you work, then PetSmart might be the job for you. They are hiring a remote admin support associate for their contact center. Now, their contact center is out of Phoenix, Arizona. However, this job description just says multiple places that is a remote opportunity. It does not say that you have to be in Arizona, and it does not have any state-specific restrictions stated in the job posting. So again, down here, it also reiterates it is a remote opportunity. So they are looking for someone to be responsible for completing inbound online pet hotel reservation requests, vet diet order authorizations, and other PetSmart service inquiries submitted by pet parents. You may have to make outbound phone calls to veterinary offices and pet parents to collect required documentation or verify vaccinations of the pets and purchase authorizations for the diet foods. Other tasks may include the manual reservations, standing for their doggy day camp request, and any manual confirmation emails they need sent out. Other job duties include assisting the call center in meeting and exceeding their goals for their abandon rate and service levels when it is needed, and providing feedback to your supervisors on processes and customer interactions as necessary. Now, they are looking for someone with a high school diploma or equivalent, but no college degree is required. Someone who can demonstrate success in customer service. Someone who has the ability to read and interpret documents, policies, and procedures. So you need to have strong grammar and communication skills, and you need to be fluent in English, and you need to be proficient in operating personal computers, navigating the internet, email, and those sorts of things. Now, while unfortunately they do not list the pay for this position, that you will have to ask at the time of the interview, they do state that it's a fully remote position, so you can enjoy cuddling your pets while you work. They say they offer a competitive hourly rate, and they also offer monthly bonus opportunities. In addition to your normal pay, they offer full medical, dental, and vision benefits and paid time off. They said they have excellent training programs and growth opportunities. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If this job lead was not a great fit for you, that's okay. Please check all the playlists down in the description below. There might be a recently posted job lead that is a great fit for you, and have no fear, I'll be back very soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.